Well, let's move on. The government has approved 7 new electronic component manufacturing plants, including projects by Kaynes Technologies, SRF, Syrma as well, Strategic and Ascent Circuits. These initiatives, in fact, are expected to bring in investments to the tune of about 5,500 crores, focusing on the production of PCBs, laminates, camera modules, as well as polypropylene films as well. Let's get in Rishabh with all of those key details here. Rishabh, over to you.
Approval for the first 6 units under the government's electronics component manufacturing scheme has been rolled out. 4 companies have been given approvals, and this is for 7 plants. So there are 4 plants that have been approved for the same company, which is Kaynes Technology Limited. This is, of course, a listed company, also very recently entered into chip manufacturing. The other 3 companies that have received approvals are, of course, Syrma, which is also a listed company, Enterprises subsidiary, which is Ascent Circuits, and as well as SRF. Now, these approvals have come in for a bunch of products and new product lines. Number one being, of course, the PCBs, which are multi-layer PCBs. You have approvals that have come in for camera modules as well as the polypropylene films. These are some of the components that will be the first to be manufactured under this massive, about 60,000 crore worth of investments that are expected under this ECMS. This first batch has come in. Roughly about 5,500 crores worth of investment will be coming in. All of these plants, all of these 7 plants will be breaking ground very, very soon, and one can expect production by the next year. What we're also picking up is, of course, the fact that these are all listed companies, and what will happen is about 40% of India's domestic value addition will also be completed thanks to these 7 plants. About 18,000 crores worth will be saved in India's import bill as a result of these approved plants.
All right, then, thank you so much, Rishabh, for getting us all of those important details. So 7 plants, 7 listed companies, and production starts next year. In fact, let's get you some commentary coming in from some of these managements as well. Amber's Ascent Circuits has received official clearance for its ambitious 900 crore rupees manufacturing facility, and this is in Tamil Nadu with construction already in progress. Company's chairman, in fact, shares insights on this milestone development. Let's go across and listen in.
हमारा जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स डिवीज़न है उसके कंपनी का नाम है एसेंट सर्किट्स. उसका आज अप्रूवल हुआ है. टुडे वी हैव रिसीव्ड द अप्रूवल एंड वी रियली अपलॉड दिस इनिशिएटिव ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. दिस इज़ अ 991 crore investment plant in Tamil Nadu, which is already under construction. We expect the operations to start in next September and the production, mass production, to start by October or November next year.
All right, then, before we get you the word coming in from Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, let's also go across and listen in to the management of Syrma, because Syrma is all set to invest 765 crore rupees in a state-of-the-art facility in Andhra Pradesh that is dedicated to the production of multi-layer printed circuit boards. And the company's MD JS Gujral also says that this is going to be one of the largest plants in India for multi-layer PCB. Let's go across and listen in.
हमारे इस प्रोजेक्ट में मल्टी-लेयर PCB प्रोजेक्ट में हम 765 करोड़ की इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं अगले 2 सालों में, आज से लेकर 26-27 तक. फेज़ 1 ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट हमारा दिसंबर 26 तक तैयार हो जाना चाहिए. ट्रायल प्रोडक्शन हम शुरू कर देंगे. कंस्ट्रक्शन हम अगले महीने शुरू कर देंगे. और हम जो प्लांट लगा रहे हैं मल्टी लेयर PCB का, ये 25 लाख स्क्वायर मीटर एक साल का है, जो मेरे हिसाब से it will be India में one of the largest plants होगा for multi-layer PCB.
All right, and there you go. Syrma SGS talking about their plans as well. But let's move on. Let's get you the word going from the IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, as he also shares insights on these approved projects and how India aims to meet the growing demand for electronic components.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कंपोनेंट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के 7 प्लांट्स आज अप्रूव हुए हैं, जिसमें मल्टीलेयर PCBs, ये एक मल्टीलेयर PCB है इस तरह की. ये जैसे इसमें 3 लेयर्स हैं टोटल, जो कि आपस में इंटरकनेक्टेड हैं. मल्टीलेयर PCBs बनेगी. हाई डेंसिटी इंटरकनेक्ट, आप देखेंगे इसमें कितनी हाई डेंसिटी के सर्किट बनता है. ये हाई डेंसिटी इंटरकनेक्ट का, कॉपर लेमिनेट का, ये कॉपर लेमिनेटेड अल्ट्रा प्योर होता है जो कि PCBs में काम में आता है. फिर कैमरा मॉड्यूल कंप्लीट, जो कि कई चीज़ों में काम में आता है. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के कई आइटम्स में कैमरा मॉड्यूल्स काम आता है. और ये कैपेसिटर है, इसके अंदर की जो पॉली प्रोपिलीन फिल्म होती है वो पॉलीप्रोपिलीन फिल्म बनने लगेगी भारत में। मल्टीलेयर पीसीबी के प्लांट से करीब करीब भारत की जो रिक्वायरमेंट है 20% ऑफ दैट डिमांड विल बी मेट थ्रू दिस एंटायर प्रोडक्शन। कैमरा मॉड्यूल में अराउंड 15% ऑफ आर डिमांड विल बी मेट बाय डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्शन एंड लेमिनेट 100% ऑफ आर डिमांड विल बी मेट बाय इंडियन प्लांट। अभी तक सारा इंपोर्ट करते थे। पॉलीप्रोपिलीन फिल्म में अभी भी इंपोर्ट करते हैं, उसका भी काफ़ी बड़ी मात्रा में इस प्लांट से उसका भारत की डिमांड मीट होगी।